Question 5 of this exercise says, tell whether the statement is true or false. So basically we have to say whether the given statement is true or false. Let's start with the first statement. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. So that is right, as the mode is the most repeating number of the data. Now let's move on to the second part. Mean is one of the numbers in a data. So that is not right, that is false. So let's take an example. Let's say in a data we have two numbers 3 and 5 and we have to find the mean of that. So it will be basically 3 plus 5 divided by 2, which is same as 8 by 2, which is same as 4. So we have got the mean, which is 4, which is not present in the data. So it is not necessary that mean is one of the numbers in a data. So that is false. Now let's move on to the third part. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. That is true, because median is basically the middle term. To find median, first we arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order. Then the term that is present in the middle is the median of the data. So that is true. Now let's have a look into the fourth part. So in the fourth part, we will find the mean of the data that is given. So we will add the numbers that are given and we will divide it by 8, because there are 8 numbers that are given. So after adding them, we will get 64 and we will divide it by 8, which is same as 8. So we have not got the mean as 9. So this statement is basically false.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.